Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe an experience about moving to a new school or house. The cue card is describe an experience about moving to a new school or house. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say, why did you change your school or college? When was it? Was that helpful? What were the consequences after that? Now, let's begin with the simple answer for this cue card. Well, sometimes individuals need to move to new places because of better facilities and opportunities. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I changed my school. Actually, 5 years back, just after completing the 8th standard, I had to get admission to a new school called Poda Model School. At that time, my father went abroad for work and my mother had to start living with my maternal family, along with me and my sister. I have to say, I got astonished to know this because I couldn't meet my friends anymore. It was also quite difficult for me to adjust to this new city and school. If I talk about the new school, it was much better as compared to the previous one in terms of facilities. This school had a huge playground for various sports along with a park and swimming pool. At the same time, it had a big library from where students can issue books, which was not available in my old school. As I am an open-minded person, it was not very difficult for me to get along with teachers and classmates. Moreover, due to my performance in academics and extracurricular activities, I was able to become the monitor of my class. After facing many difficulties for 6 months, I started enjoying my school life. I also used to spend time with my friends in the canteen, which was the most enjoyable part of school life. So, that was the time when I moved to a new school. This was the sample answer for this cue card. Now, we will look at the follow-ups for this cue card. Are children better at solving problems than adults? I would say children do not have good problem-solving skills as compared to adults. Children face a lot of difficulties when they come across any problem due to their immaturity, whereas adults can solve issues better because of their experience and logical approach. Next question is, if people move frequently, is it better to stay in one house all the time? I believe it would be difficult for individuals to have a permanent house if they move quite frequently. This is because they have to live alone by staying away from their families, which can be difficult for many. Therefore, they should always try to move along with their family members. Next question is, what are the pros and cons of living in a high-rise building? On the positive side, we get many benefits when we live in high-rise buildings. When we live in apartments, we can access various amenities like swimming pools, parks, playgrounds, etc., which is not the case with standard homes. Moreover, we can have a good view of the surroundings while living in high-rise buildings. On the negative side, there can be space issues with flats, as they are more compact than normal houses. Also, it might be difficult to get help from others in case of an emergency. Next question is, what are the pros and cons of living in an old and new neighborhood. As far as I know, new neighborhoods offer various facilities to people which might not be available in most old neighborhoods. People can easily access white car parking, public parks, and restrooms in the neighborhoods as they are well planned according to today's lifestyle, whereas older ones only have the basic amenities. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.